Hello, this is Umayr Afruz, talking about the CNC machine kit that I've done. What I learned during this course was the different components and the main components that make up the CNC machine that is needed to make it work. For example, the stepper motors, the steel rods, and the drill bit, like how they um, coagulate with each other to make sure that the machine works and able to do part of its job. And with the Arduino, I was able to learn like some of the coding parts as well, which and the different connections that were needed, and the G code as well, G code sender, which was quite helpful to know how to operate in that. If I need to use CNC machines as well in the future. I'm going to demonstrate now the kit being operated on and the axes and the drill bit moving and operating.
Here I'm just going to show the axis moving and the drill bit moving as well. So from the switch you can see it's moving and it's drilling. Okay, and from the program you can see the y-axis on the thing going up and then it's going down. Okay, you see it going through there and then back here, no problem. And here you can see the z-axis.